What if I told you that this tiny Turkish 1 lira coin, minted in 2005, was recently auctioned for a jaw-dropping $9.12 million? Yes, you heard that right. A coin most people overlook turned out to be one of the rarest and most valuable in modern history. But why? What makes it so special? And could you possibly have one sitting in your drawer right now? Welcome back to Coin ZF, the place where everyday coins become legends. Today, we uncover the mystery of the 2005 1 lira coin and why collectors are going crazy for it. Let's start with the basics. The 2005 Turkish 1 lira coin is bimetallic with a brass outer ring and a nickel center. On the front, you'll find Mustafa Kemal Ataturk's portrait, the founder of modern Turkey. The reverse features the denomination 1 lira and the year 2005. Sounds like a regular coin, right? But here's where it gets interesting. In early 2024, a private collector from Geneva placed a record-breaking bid at a rare coin auction in Zurich. The item? A 2005 Turkish 1 lira coin, graded MS 69 by NGC. The price? A staggering 9.12 million US dollars. But why would anyone pay that much for a relatively new coin? The answer lies in rarity, mint errors, historical timing, and one shocking detail we'll reveal in a minute. The coin that sold for millions wasn't just any 2005 1 lira. It had a double die obverse error, a type of mint mistake where the design is struck twice, creating a ghost-like image. But here's the catch. This error is so rare, only one confirmed copy has surfaced globally. Mint errors can multiply a coin's value by hundreds, or even thousands, especially if it's the only one known. Let's not forget cultural context. Ataturk is not just a national hero. He symbolizes a transformation. Coins bearing his image are already highly collectible. Now pair that with a mint error and limited release, and you've got the perfect storm. Another reason for the sky-high price? The coin's MS 69 grade, almost perfect. Most coins from circulation don't even get close. And remember, it was slabbed and certified by a trusted grading company. NGC. A coin with a mint error and perfect grade? That's lightning in a bottle. So, could you have one of these coins without even realizing it? Look for the 2005 mint mark. Check for any doubling on the obverse and get weighed. If it feels or looks off, it's worth examining. Let's hear from you. We asked our followers to send photos of their rare Turkish coins, and some of you might be sitting on gold. And if you got a cool coin, drop a comment or tag us. Coin ZF might feature yours next. Coins aren't just currency. They're history, mystery, and sometimes a life-changing jackpot. The 2005 Turkish 1 lira coin is proof of that. Thanks for watching Coin ZF. Smash that like button if you learned something new, and subscribe for more coin stories that will blow your mind. And hey, go check your coins. You never know.